Hey guys, I'm gonna make this little short video. So I noticed some YouTubers were doing Christmas burnouts, and I wasn't directly like asked to be in the challenge, but I mean, burnouts, it's kind of one of the things I like to do. So going to fire up the old Challenger, head out of town a little bit, and see what we can do. Got a cold start for you. Head out there and see what kind of trouble I can get into. Got to turn traction control off. I'm a dumbass. Okay. I want to do a fucking burnout. Well, we just got back from trying to do a burnout, and this car kind of failed. Frickin' technology kept trying to take over, take the bottle from me, fucking shut the car off. Every little thing you could think of, this car was doing. It was really frustrating. I should have just took the old Dirty Bird. She would have let me fucking rev her out, send a rod through the moon, wreck it, you know, whatever. This is an 86. It don't give a fuck. And, anyways, so, it was a little bit of a fail, but I still got a decent small little burnout, grab second gear and whatnot till it shut me down. But yeah, so till next time guys, keep it between the ditches. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see ya.